Billy the heavy vehicle came for maintenance. Shall we check Billy together? Use the drill to nail up. Clean the parts. Turn the wrench around to tighten the screw. Clean the glass. That's amazing! Put all the stickers on. Use the arrows to move everything. Push everything into the container. Good job! Put all the stickers on. Put down the scanner to do a check. That's amazing! Enjoy your ride to the destination. Good job! After the checkup, Billy is doing construction work.
Whoa! Billy is really strong!
Carrie brought a lot of colorful balloons. Shall we hand out the balloons to the cute baby cars? Hand out the balloons that have the same color as the car. Pink, red, purple, pink, purple, blue, red, blue,
It's blue, just like mine. Yellow is my favorite color.
The baby cars shared the balloons with each other. Pink, red, purple, pink, purple, blue, red, blue. Hand out the balloons that have the same color as the car. White, black, purple, purple, white, blue, black, blue,
It's blue, just like mine. Yellow is my favorite color.
The baby cars shared the balloons with each other. White, black, purple, purple, white, blue, black, blue. There will be a cool circus show today.
Oh, can we do a good circus show? I am so nervous.
Help friends who are making mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
7. 8. 9. 10.
The circus show ended in a big success. All the people cheered. Whoa, that was really awesome.
I want to see her again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Help friends who are making mistakes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
The circus show ended in a big success. All the people cheered. Whoa, that was really awesome.
I want to see her again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh no! Bully the villain kidnapped Princess Ray.
Ha! We gotta quickly save Princess Ray.
Get rid of the villains and gather the alphabets. A.
고마워.
F. T. N. P. B. J.
고마워.
Z. buses saved Princess Ray.
I'm sorry. It's my fault.
Hurrah! Thanks a lot.
A F T N P B J Z Q L. Get rid of the villains and gather the alphabets. L M G Y Q J V C F Hooray! The little buses saved Princess Ray.
I'm sorry. It's my fault.
Hurrah! Thanks a lot.
L M G Y Q J V C A F. The little buses are climbing a high mountain.
I'm so tired. Don't worry, I brought a jump rocket.
Jump and gather the alphabets. V X Q O D F N Whoa! The little buses reached the top of the mountain.
Hurrah! The view is so amazing. It was a good decision to come up here.
V X A K Q O R D F N Jump and gather the alphabets. O. W. Whoa! The little buses reached the top of the mountain.
Hurrah! The view is so amazing! It was a good decision to come up here.
O. F. H. Q. W. V. E. M. D. S. Whoa! Gunny's garden is full of colorful flowers.
It's time to water the flowers.
Water the flowers so they can bloom. Yellow. Purple. Yay! The flowers bloomed beautifully.
Wow! The color is so pretty.
Yellow is my favorite color. Black, pink, white, yellow, red, purple. Water the flowers so they can bloom. Yellow. White. Pink. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Yay! The flowers bloomed beautifully.
Wow! The color is so pretty.
Yellow is my favorite color. Yellow, white, pink, orange, yellow, blue. On a beautiful morning, Duri found a pile of stuff laying in the empty lot. What's all this?
Phew, these are the stuff I have to deliver. I have to deliver all of them by today, but I don't think I can do it myself because there's just too many.
What? All of them? Duri had a good idea. So he ran to the garage because he knew the little buses would help. But Tayo and Lonnie, who were at the garage, didn't seem to be convinced. You know I gotta go work now. Then Hannah heard the story and spoke. Don't worry, I'll ask the other guys to do it. Let's help out Tony together. After a while, friends came to visit Tony. Tony, we'll help out. We should be able to finish it by the end of the day if we do it together.
Really? Thanks!
Duri and Hannah loaded the stuff. Yo! Hey! Ho! Oh, it's so heavy. Tony explained where the stuff needed to be delivered.
Make sure you deliver it to the right place.
Sure. Tayo climbed uphill to make his delivery. Oh, we're tired. Don't give up. You can do it. Lonnie went around narrow streets to make her delivery. Watch out!
I'm cramped.
When they arrived at their destination, Duri and Hannah handed out the stuff to the customers. I am here for the delivery. Thanks. Whoa, it's a robot. Oh, these are new clothes? When people received their stuff, they were happy. They finished their deliveries late in the evening.
Oh, my whole body hurts.
Making a delivery is very hard. After a while, Tony spoke with great joy.
Thanks a lot, guys. I would never have finished it without you guys.
It's really nothing. Although it was tough, it was very rewarding. All of the friends made a big smile.